Charts open like a menu, everybody hungry for a bite. I'm sipping on my coffee, watching, let 'em chase the candlelight. Green bar, red bar, heartbeat starts to race. Cursor on the button, but my breathing sets the pace. I used to click from fear, used to jump at every twitch. Turned every tiny wiggle to some giant tragic glitch. Now I let the noise keep talking, I just listen, count to 10. If the story isn't written, I don't force a happy end. Flat is a position, sometimes that's the win. I don't need a trade today, just to feel I'm in. I got my ammunition like gold beneath the skin. Flat is a position, sometimes that's the win. Oh yeah. Timeline full of trophies, look, I caught the perfect top. They don't show the midnight sweating or the days they had to stop. I've worn that same old t-shirt, staring at a bleeding screen, wishing I had just done nothing, wishing I had stayed clean. Now I let the trend be stubborn, let the chop just wear 'em out. Ooh, I'll be here when dust has settled, zero shame, zero doubt. 'Cause missing one wild runner hurts less than death by cuts. I'd rather sleep with quiet lungs than gamble on my guts. Hey, flat is a position, sometimes that's the win. I don't need a trade today, just to feel I'm in. I guard my ammunition like gold beneath the skin. Flat is a position, sometimes that's the win. I don't chase the rush now, I don't chase the crowd. Silence in my account still feels proud. Every nothing done is a vote for me. For the future days, I trade stress free. Flat is a position, sometimes that's the win. I don't need a trade today, just to feel I'm in. I got my ammunition like gold beneath the skin. Flat is a position, sometimes that's the win. Just keep calling my name, I just answer with a grin. If the odds don't say come closer, I'm content to not begin. Yeah. Flat is a position, I let patience be my twin. I protect what I've been building, sometimes that's the win. Yeah. Charts open like a menu, everybody hungry for a bite. I'm sipping on my coffee, watching, let 'em chase the candlelight. Green bar, red bar, heartbeat starts to race. Cursor on the button, but my breathing sets the pace. I used to click from fear, used to jump at every twitch. Turned every tiny wiggle to some giant tragic glitch. Now I let the noise keep talking, I just listen, count to 10. If the story isn't written, I don't force a happy end. Flat is a position, sometimes that's the win. I don't need a trade today, just to feel I'm in. I guard my ammunition like gold beneath the skin. Flat is a position, sometimes that's the win. Oh yeah, yeah. Timeline full of trophies, look, I caught the perfect top. They don't show the midnight sweating or the days they had to stop. I won that same old t-shirt, staring at a bleeding screen. Wishing I had just done nothing, wishing I had stayed clean. Now I let the trend be stubborn, let the chop just wear 'em out. I'll be here when dust has settled. Zero shame, zero doubt. 'Cause missing one wild runner hurts less than death by cuts. I'd rather sleep with quiet lungs than gamble on my guts. Hey, flat is a position, sometimes that's the win. I don't need a trade today, just to feel I'm in. I guard my ammunition like gold beneath the skin. Flat is a position, sometimes that's the win. I don't chase the rush, now I don't chase the crowd. Silence in my account still feels proud. Every nothing done is a vote for me. For the future days I trade stress free. Is a position, sometimes that's the win. I don't need a trade today, just to feel I'm in. I guard my ammunition like gold beneath the skin. Flat is a position, sometimes that's the win. Just keep calling my name, I just answer with a grin. If the odds don't say come closer, I'm content to not begin. Yeah, flat is a position, I let patience be my twin. I protect what I've been building, sometimes that's the win.
Hard hat on. Clock in. Brick by brick. Let's go. Alarm ring, charge glow in the dark of the crib. Coffee steam, same screen that been sparking the winds. Ain't chasing that moonshot, I've been parking the whims. Rich set, size tight, yeah, I'm guarding the limbs. Spreadsheet scars, I remember the drawdown. Blew half a roll before I ever saw a calm round. Now I'm scalpel sharp, cut loss, let them fall down. No hope hold, I'm out quick when the stars out. Pre-market plan, got my zones like a blueprint. Green line, red line, I don't move to the proof it. Bass hit, bass it then. Watch the groove nick, slow stack. Stress low, that's a cool win. Stack the base hits, let it build over time. Brick by brick, line by line. I ain't swinging for the fence, I just stay on my grind. Tiny little edges turning dollars from dimes. Stack the base hits, let it build over time. Cut the loss quick, keep the damage confined. Hard hat trading, I'm protecting what's mine. Tiny little edges turning dollars from dimes. Used to dream one trade, I'm out the factory. One bad click had me begging for a salary. Revenge in my blood, handshaking, that's a tragedy. Now it's one clean setup, that's my only gallery. Wait for the pitch, I don't flinch when it's tempted. Fake out wicks, I've been burned, I remember. Discipline coded in the New York December. If it don't fit the plan, I just let that thing enter. Sometimes it runs and I trail it like a shadow. Stop locked in, I ain't married to the battle. Let the winner walk while I'm pouring up the Snapple. Laughing cause the risk was the size of a gravel. Screen time log, got the journal like a diary. Notes in the margin from the days that retired me. Pattern after pattern till the picture got wired. And that calm in the storm, all that panic just tiring. Stack the base hits, let it build over time. Brick by brick, line by line. I ain't swinging for the fence, I just stay on my grind. Tiny little edges turning dollars from dimes. Stack the base hits, let it build over time. Cut the loss quick, keep the damage confined. Hard hat trading, I'm protecting what's mine. Tiny little edges turning dollars. Hard hat mindset, I'm clocked in daily. Same rules Monday and the same rules lately. Green day cool, but the process raised me. Red day small, I just shrug, that's gravy. Friends in my phone still chasing that lotto. Hosting big games, next week it's all hollow. Screenshots loud, but the curve don't follow. I'm quiet with the stack, let the compound swallow. What's the twos and the threes on the scoreboard climbing? Years in the making, that's long form timing. I ain't here to be a star, I'm here for surviving. Kids in the kitchen, I'm cooking that thriving. So when that fat pitch come, I still think defense. Wrist trimmed down, I don't break my sequence. Let it ride in range of my preset fences. If it hits, cool. If it quits, I'm senseless. Never that, I'm intact, cause the loss was senseless. Yeah. Slow trip, add a chip to the chip. Every trade locked down, every slip that I slip. From the grind to the shine, same grit on my lip. Hard hat creep, protect that grip. Yeah. Stack the hits, let it build over time. Brick by brick, line by line. I ain't swinging for the fence, I just stay on my grind. Tiny little edges turning dollars from dimes. Stack the base hits, let it build over time. Cut the loss quick, keep the damage confined. Hard head on. Clock in. Brick by brick, let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Alarm ring, charts glow in the dark of the crib. Coffee steam, same screen that been sparking the winds. Ain't chasing that moonshot, I've been parking the whims. Wrist set, size tight, yeah, I'm guarding the limbs. Spreadsheet scars, I remember the drawdown. Blew half a roll before I ever saw a calm round. Now I'm scalpel sharp, cut loss, let them fall down. No hope, hold, I'm out quick when it stars out. Print market plan, got my zones like a blueprint. Green line, red line, I don't move to the proof it. Base it, hit base it there. Watch the groove knit, slow stack, stretch low. That's a cool win. Stack the base hits, let it build over time. Brick by brick, line by line. I ain't swinging for the fence, I just stay on my grind. Tiny little edges turning dollars from dimes. Stack the base hits, let it build over time. Cut the loss quick, keep the damage confined. Hard hat trading, I'm protecting what's mine. Tiny little edges, dollars. Used to dream one trade, I'm out the factory. One bad click had me begging for a salary. Revenge in my blood, handshaking, that's a tragedy. Now it's one clean setup, that's my only gallery. Wait for the pitch, I don't flinch when it's tempted. Fake out wicks, I've been burned, I remember. Discipline coded in the New York December. If it don't fit the plan, I just let that thing enter. Sometimes it runs and I trail it like a shadow. Stop locked in, I ain't married to the battle. Let the winner walk while I'm pouring up the Snapple. Laughing cause the wrist was the size of a gravel. Screen time log, got the journal like a diary. Notes in the margin from the days that retired me. Pattern after pattern till the picture got wired. And that calm in the storm, all that panic just tiring. Hey, stack the base hits, let it build over time. Brick by brick, line by line. I ain't swinging for the fence, I just stay on my grind. Tiny little edges turning dollars from dimes. Stack the base hits, let it build over time. Cut the loss quick, keep the damage confined. Hard hat trading, I'm protecting what's mine. Tiny little edges turning dollars from dimes. Hard hat mindset, I'm clocked in daily. Same rules Monday and the same rules lately. Green day, cool, but the process raised me. Red day small, I just shrug, that's gravy. Friends in my phone still chasing that lotto. Posting big gains, next week it's all hollow. Screenshots loud, but the curve don't follow. I'm quiet with the stack, let the compound swallow. It's the 2s and the 3s on the scoreboard climbing. Years in the making, that's long form timing. I ain't here to be a star, I'm here for surviving. Kids in the kitchen, I'm cooking that thriving. So when that fat pitch come, I still think defense. Wrist trimmed down, I don't break my sequence. Let it ride in range of my preset fences. If it hits, cool, if it quits, I'm senseless. Never that, I'm intact, cause the loss was senseless. Yeah, slow drip, add a chip to the chip. Every trade log down, every slip that I slip. From the grind to the shine, same grit on my lip. Hard hat creed, protect that grip. Yeah, stack the base hits, let it build over time. Brick by brick, line by line. I ain't swinging for the fence, I just stay on my grind. Tiny little edges turning dollars from dimes. Stack the base hits, let it build over time. Cut the loss quick, keep the damage confined. Hard hat, hard hat, hard hat, hard hat. Brick by brick, let's go. Coffee cold, screen glow on my face. Same range, yeah. Woke up, swore I chill. Open chart, hand start, twitching, I'm ill. Lil range, price tap top, I'm in. One red bar, whole plan gone in the wind. Fake breakout, I chase that wick. Spread too wide, heart too quick. Scalp that loss, then double just to make it back. Now I'm 5 trays deep in the same damn trap. Every candle look clean, I see a pattern. Turn a quiet day into a car crash scattered. Fees add up like a slow leak drip. I ain't losing to the market, I'm losing to the click. Shop will break you if you don't sit still. sit still.
Stop fill.
Flat day, turn the deep red spill. Sideways,
Fill.
slice up every cheap thrill. Chopper
Stop
break it
fill.
if you don't sit still. Chopper break it if you don't sit still. One bad itch,
Order
whole week
fill.
downhill. If you don't wait, that range will kill. Chopper break it if you don't sit
fill.
still. Whole month. Same band, just
fill.
noise. I keep swinging like I'm fighting ghosts, no poise. Every fake move got me questioning edge. Watch my rules fall off like they fell off a ledge. Over leverage on a Tuesday, this the one. Stop hit, re-entry, then another one.
Stop
Ain't
fill.
trending,
Stop
just
fill.
blending with my worst traits. My P&L look like my sleep dark. No breaks, had to
fill.
print out charts. I wreck, pin them on the wall. Circle every spot, I didn't listen at all. It ain't them, it's me. That's the hardest pill. Discipline cheap, but the tab on tilt is real. If you don't sit still, sit
Order
still.
rejected.
Flat day, turn the deep red spill. Sideways, slice up every cheap thrill. Chopper break it if you don't sit still. Chopper break it if you don't sit still. Blind clicks, quick fix for the thrill. Quiet
fill.
mind worth more than a quick bill. Chopper break it if you don't sit still. Now I mark my box,
Stop
draw
fill.
that range. Size go small when the tape looks strange. If it don't clear high, I don't play that field. If it don't crack low, then my hand stays sealed. One good trade beat, 10 bad
Stop
rushes.
fill.
One clean plan cut through all that clutter. I lost stacks just to learn this skill. Best trade I ever took was learning to sit still. If you don't sit still, sit still. Flat day, turn the deep red spill.
Stop rejected.
Sideways, slice up every cheap
Stop
thrill.
fill.
Chopper break you if you don't sit still. Chopper break you if you don't sit still. Close that app, step back, just
Order
chill.
rejected.
When the trend come back, you'll be here for real. Chopper break you if you don't sit still.
Stop rejected. Stop
Chopper
fill.
break you if you don't sit still.
Stop fill.
Yeah. Coffee cold. Screen glow on my face. Yeah. Same range. Same range. Yeah. Yeah. Woke up, swore I chill. Open chart, hand start twitching, I'm ill. Little range, price tap top, I'm in. One red bar, whole plan going in the wind. Fake breakout, I chase that wick. Spread too wide, heart too quick. Scalp that loss, then double just to make it back. Now I'm 5 trays deep in the same damn trap. Every candle look clean, I see a pattern. Turn a quiet day into a car crash, scattered. Fees add up like a slow leak drip. I ain't losing to the market, I'm losing to the click. Chopper break it if you don't sit still. Sit still. Flat day, turn the deep red spill. Sideways, slice up every cheap thrill. Chopper break you if you don't sit still. Chopper break you if you don't sit still. One bad itch, whole week downhill. If you don't wait, that range will kill. Chopper break you if you don't sit still. Whole month, same band, just noise. I keep swinging like I'm fighting ghosts, no poise. Every fake move got me questioning edge. Watch my rules fall off like they fell off a ledge. Over leveraged on a Tuesday, this the one. Stop, hit, re-entry, then another one. Ain't trending, just blending with my worst traits. My P&L look like my sleep dark, no breaks. Had to print out charts, I wreck, pin them on the wall. Circle every spot, I didn't listen at all. It ain't them, it's me, that's the hardest pill. Discipline cheap, but the tab on tilt is real. Chopper break you if you don't sit still. Sit still. Flat day, turn the deep red spill. Sideways, slice up every cheap thrill. Chopper break you if you don't sit still. Chopper break you if you don't sit still. Blind clicks, quick fix for the thrill. Quiet mind worth more than a quick bill. Chopper break you if you don't sit still. Now I mark my box, draw that range. Size go small when the tape looks strange. If it don't clear high, I don't play that field. If it don't crack low, then my hand stays sealed. One good trade beat 10 bad rushes. One clean plan cut through all that clutter. I lost stacks just to learn the skill. Best trade I ever took was learning to sit still. Chopper break you if you don't sit still. Sit still. Flat day, turn the deep red spill. Sideways, slice up every cheap thrill. Chopper break you if you don't sit still. Chopper break you if you don't sit still. Close that app, step back, just chill. When the trend come back, you'll be here for real. Chopper break if you don't sit still. Chop will break it if you don't sit still. Yeah. Coffee gone cold. Screen glow on my face. Cursor on the order box. Finger off the trigger. Yeah. Pre-market quiet, I can hear my own doubt. Spreads like an alley cat, sneaking in, trying to scratch out. Price ladder twitching, little biz trying to bait me. I see them flash and vanish like they know how to play me. I got scars on the chart from the times I chased. Every wick that whipped, every rip I erased. Used to jump at the open like the bell was a gun. Now I'm leaning my chair, rest slow, wait for the run. Nah,
928,
I ain't moved yet. Let the market show me.
I don't get.
I don't flinch at the first little flex, I just sit in my zone.
Guard my check.
Nah,
928,
I ain't moved yet. If the level ain't clean,
that's a check.
I got rules, I don't rush, I don't press. Let the market show me.
I don't get.
Lines on the daily like cracks in the pavement. Marked out zones where they trapped that statement. Wick high Tuesday, sold them hope at the top. Friday they came back, same block, same drop. I draw that box right under last week's high. Liquor store window, bars on the sky. Stops like wallets stuffed in the same place. Every time they get picked by the same face. I see the fake break, thin volume on the push. Like a weak handshake or a cop in the bush. Alarm on the watch, heart rate in check. Plan on the pad, profit, loss and respect. Nah,
928,
I ain't moved yet. Let the market show me.
I don't get.
I don't flinch at the first little flex, I just sit in my zone.
Guard my check.
Nah,
928,
I ain't moved yet. If the level ain't clean,
that's a check.
I got rules, I don't rush, I don't press. Let the market show me.
I don't get.
Remember that Monday? Gap up, crowd went wild. I hit buy on the open, gave it back like a child. Red ball, free fall, I could taste that regret. Swore I never swing first when the bell gets set. Now I'm calm in the chaos like a cab at the light. Green, yellow, red, I just read it right. 0929, tape starting to tick. Orders slipping, thick biz, thin tricks. I see side stacking right where I plan. Same zone, circle, same print in the sand. Break, retest, that's church to me. If it don't come back clean, it ain't my entry. Bell gonna ring, crowd gon' shout, but my hands stay still till the lie shakes out. They chase, they pray, they blame, they stress. I just mark what I see, let the rest confess.
928,
I ain't moved yet. Let the market show me.
I don't get.
I don't flinch at the first little flex, I just sit in my zone.
Guard my check. 928,
I ain't moved yet. If the level ain't clean,
that's a check.
I got rules, I don't rush, I don't press. Let the market show me.
I don't get.
Clock flips over, bell cuts the air. Everyone sprinting, I stay in my chair. One clean setup, that's all that I get. One shot, one trade, and I'm done with the sweat.
928,
That's the part. Hey, that's the part they forget. Discipline in the silence, that's the real checkmate bet.
I don't get.
Yeah.
I don't get.
Yeah. Yo. Yeah. Bloomberg glow. 4 screens, 1 soul, night shift, neck stiff, coffee gone cold. Tick chart switch, candles like lit fuses. Phone buzz once breaking, world leaders moving. Oil big climbing, before the words finish. Desk chat silent, all you hear is ticking. Gulf map pinned over my left shoulder. Red line traced through a narrow blue border. Name it choke point, lifeline artery. If that lane locks, whole globe can't breathe. Orders on standby, finger on the mouse. Heartbeat sinks with the clicking in the house.
When the futures run red,
Somebody just spoke.
1 second's on air.
Whole curve goes broke.
Don't blink, don't chase.
You freeze, you're dead. History turns on a headline you read.
When the futures run red,
It's fear on the tape,
war in the phrase.
and the price won't wait. Hold your plan, while the screen bleeds dread in this game full of panic.
Discipline's the edge.
Yeah, yeah.
Discipline.
They walk to the podium, market leans forward, room gets colder, bid gets bolder, sanctions, spits out, spread widens, every algo listening, jumps like sirens, crew chart ripping like it heard gunshots, 5 ticks, 10 ticks, stops get chopped, retail still texting, yo, what just happened? By the time they log in, half the move already captured, here, time ain't minutes, it's micro decisions, you either prep levels or you're chasing superstition, I remember last scare, tankers under threat, price spike vertical, then sank like that. I learned that not every scare holds. You face some fear, you protect that road.
When the future's run red,
Somebody just spoke.
one sentence on air.
Whole curve goes broke.
Don't blink, don't chase.
You freeze, you're dead. History turns on a headline you read.
When the future's run red,
It's fear on the tape,
war in a phrase.
and the price won't wait. Hold your plan, hold your head while the screen bleeds dread in this game full of panic.
Discipline's the edge.
They talk about battles, I watch bases, they argue on panels. I'm marking ranges, every thread, every promise, every vow they said, printed in the candles, green and red. You can gamble with drama or study the flow. Know where it breaks before they go on the show.
When the future's run red,
Somebody just spoke.
one sentence on air.
Whole curve goes broke.
Don't blink, don't chase.
You freeze, you're dead. History turns on a headline you read.
When the future's run red,
There's fear on the tape,
war in a phrase.
and the price won't wait. Hold your plan, hold your head while the screen bleeds dread, and the storm made of numbers.
Discipline's the edge. Discipline's the edge.
Coffee on the counter, screen start to blow. Yeah, hard hat on my mindset. Yeah. Clock says go. Yeah, yeah. Wake up, dark sky, first train rumble. Charts on the phone while the toast still crumbles. Numbers on the mind, but my post stay humble. Sound of the city in the subway mumble. Watch that dome, I'm in my zone, it's a job site. Wrist marked up like cones under fog lights. Hard hat trading, I'm guarding my broad rights. Guard real tight, I don't chase, what's the wrong price? 5 minute 15, glance at the dailies. Check where the size fits clean, never crazy, no tilt, no guilt, keep it watertight. If it don't meet plan and it's off my sight, orders like blueprints pinned on the wall, limit and stop set, that's my curtain call. I ain't praying on a candle to erase my flaws, I'm just reading what it prints, then I let it fall. By noon I close the charts, I'm gone. Log out, hit save, then I move on.
Trading is the work, but life's the song.
I build my morning so my days run long.
By noon I close the charts, that's it.
Walk from the screen like I just clock quick. Structure in the grind so my soul stay lit. I trade for the time, not the time I sit. Yeah, laptop lid down, city air calling. Chain on the gate of my thoughts, I'm all in. Put a bike from the rack by the stairwell door. Click pedal, push off, feel the leg burn more. Brooklyn breeze in my lungs, cross bridge, sunlight, cabs toss curses. Tourists ain't for one shot, but I'm weaving between all the brake lights. Hard shell brain, but my heart on one knot. Messenger bag, old lens, one body. Scuff prime glass, views of everybody. Corner store cat by the chip, blue crate. Kid with a spray can, tagging this fate. Freeze frame strangers in the afternoon glare. Old man laughing with a deck top stare. Steam from the great draws, ghosts in the frame. Life that I trade for, that's the real game.
By noon I close the charts, I'm gone.
Log out.
Log out, hit save, then I move on. Trading is the work, but life's the song. Yeah.
I build my morning so my days run on. Yeah. By noon I close the charts, that's law. Hands off the keys, let the spreads just draw. Clocked in early so my feet touch ground. I trade for the silence in a crowded town. Yeah, discipline first and the day feels open. Wrist well placed, now the mind feels smokeless. Hard hat habit, safety in my scope, and every planned exit is a door I can stroll in. Screens to the streets, that's my rotation. tick of the trees, that's my translation. Draw down small, but my world grown tall. I don't chase ticks, I just chase that call. Sidewalk bar, by the end of the block, bike leaned up, 2 locks on the stock. Sweat on my shirt, dust on my socks, but my hair feel clean from the morning clock. Couple cold beers in the back like glow. Friends roll through, same table, same joke, still trading. Yeah, man, just the AM show. Then I tell them about the plan and the weight I let go. Sun sitting low on the glass pane shine. I scroll through flicks that I call daytime. Wall full of prints in a one-room palace. That's my P&L, that's my balance. Phone face down, I ain't watching that tape. Price gonna move, I don't need that chase. I did my shift, now this here's the raise. Every small moment is the profit I praise. Hey,
By noon I close the charts, I'm gone. Log out, hit save, then I move on. Trading is the work, but life's the song, yeah.
I build my morning, so my day run on.
By noon I close the charts. By noon I close the charts.
Coffee at dawn. Levels on the chart glow faint. Same plan, same lines. Same calm, same faith. Stack up the stats, not the stress. One clean setup, then I rest. Micro on the screen, M&Q in sight. Wrist marked out before I fight. GC glint when the volume hits. Still flicker little silver ticks. Hard hat fam in the chat type. Wait, no chase, let price rotate. M2K hum with a slow grind. Mind pop, then it unwind. Every candle just another toss. I'm built for the edge, not scared of a loss. I know my numbers, I know my spot. This is a business, this ain't a slot. One red trade is part of the cost. I cut it clean, I don't feel lost. Nah.
Survive the losses, stay in the game. I play the plan, don't chase fame. Take the hit small, let the winners run long. Turn that draw down into my song. Stay in the game, same size, same rules, nothing changed. I trust the math when the candles flame. Survive the losses, stay in the game.
Hey, funded logins, lined on my desk. TPT, lucid with the stress test. Traderfied trade day, screen full of tabs. My funded futures, Apex tags. Pull up the depth, watch the tape slow. If it breaks on, then I let go. Stop, sits tight where the plan said. If price taps out, I'm already ahead. No drag, stop down when it gets close. I'd rather be flat than overdose. Green day, red day, feels all the same. Cause discipline the only real game. I'm stacking plays, not praying luck. One good edge, I don't give it up. Cut 3 small and I ride 1 boss. I'm here for the curve, not the gloss. Yeah.
Survive the losses, stay in the game. I play the plan out, I don't chase fame. Take the hit small, let the winners run long. Turn that draw down into my song. Survive the losses, stay in the game. Same size, same rules, nothing changed. I trust the math when the candles flame. Survive the losses, stay in the game.
Red print flash, heartbeat quick, breathing slow, hand off click. Ask one question, did I obey? If I did that, I'm okay. Every small cut buys me time. Room for the run when the stars align. Screens go dark, I still feel sane. I survived, I stayed in the game. Yeah.
Survive the losses, stay in the game.
I play the plan.
I don't chase fame.
Take the hit small, let the winners run long. Turn that draw down into my song.
Survive the losses, stay in the game.
Same size, same rules.
Nothing changed.
I trust the math when the candles flame. Survive the losses, stay in the game. M&Q close, GC's done. Still sleeps, new day come. Hard hat cool, we think the same. Survive the losses, stay in the game. Coffee at dawn. Levels on the chart glow faint. Same plan, Same lines.
Click of the mouse. Coffee on warm. Charts still dark. Phone on ignore. M&Q loaded. Fingers stay calm, I don't chase candles. I just follow the plan. Yeah. Up before London, screens glow blue. Same old broker, brand new view. Tiny little contract, heart feels loud. Micro on the ladder, I'm still proud. One click in, 24-800. Wrist so small, but I let it grow. Stop sits tight, where I said last night. If I'm wrong, cool, I just lose light. But I'm right though, price start breathing slow. Ticks drip down like a leaky hose. First 10 points, itching just to bank. Old me would tap out, run off, give thanks. But I've been tracking this whole last week. Structure on the hour, levels on the week. I'm not here for a quick little crumb. I'm here to see what 1 point could become.
Let that micro run, let that micro run. I was scared of the red, now I sit in the sun. Trail that stop while the levels get done. From 24-8 down to 24-7-1. Let that micro run, let that micro run. Small eye, big plan, watch what it becomes. Take profit on the screen, same rules, same thumb. I just follow my edge. Let the micro run.
Price dips, pulls right back to the line. Old fear knocking in the back of my mind. Take it, you up nice now. But the bigger I flinch, man, the smaller my pile. Trail that stop under fresh swing highs. I'm cutting off exits, leave doubt outside. 15.20, 30 on tap. Cursor on close, but I lean right back. Check my notes on the pad by the stand. Hold for the zone, don't fold your hand. Each new low, stop walks behind. Profit locked in, peace of mind. This ain't luck. This is hours of reps, screenshots, journals. Days I wept, micro size, macro focus, zoom right in. One contract teaching me to win. Straight discipline, like I'm training to fight. Same setup, same time. Night after night, take profit trader. Got my stats on file. They don't care, I'm hopeful. They care, I'm dialed. Green plus green. That's a staircase built brick by brick, tick by tick, not guilt. Let that micro run. Let that micro run. Let that micro run. Let that micro run. I was scared of the red, now I sit in the sun. Trail that stop while the levels get done. From 24-8 down to 24-7-1. Let that micro run. Let that micro run. Yeah. Small eye, big plan. Watch what it becomes. Take profit on the screen. Same rules, same thumb. I just follow my edge and let the micro run. 100-point slide, heart stayed still. Hands off the mouse, just trust the scale. Every new low, stop ticks higher. Wrist gets smaller, but the wing get wider. From please don't lose to how far can it go? From close it now to respect that flow. One little M&Q, walk my mind through fire. Show me patient pace, more than desire. Now it's locked in, 100 on the tape. Michael turned teacher, showed me escape. Not from the job, from that scared old me that panics for pennies. Those pounds for free, account still tiny. The curve look clean, less spike, less crash, more steady green. Day by day, same chart, same time, same tight stop, same clear line, micro stack, like rows in the field. Harvest comes slow, but the food all real. Prop firm watching, they see that slow blow, draw down high. Discipline, I hope next step scaling. Double that size, but the mindset's fixed. That's the real prize if I treat each trade. Let the micro run. Let the micro run. Let the micro run. Let the micro run. Let the micro run.
Steel toes lace, thermos in the bag. Sun ain't up, but I'm out for the tag.
Clock in, copper wire in my hands. Blueprints folded, scribbles in the van. Hard hat smell, dust on my face. Breaker boxes buzz in while I'm running that race. Cut power, tie in, match color with color. Like I line contrast with margins, one after another. Rough in, trim out, overtime call. Knees on concrete, sweat on drywall. Paycheck steady, same day every week. That's my cushion when the markets get bleak. Job site lunch, screen glow on my phone. M&Q chart, little ladder I own. Small size, tight wrist, no thrill chase. Just levels on a notepad, coffee in my face.
Bills paid, now I trade with patience. Clock out, then I study these basements. From the panel to the price rotation. Slow grind, long game, wealth in stages. Bills paid, now I trade with patience. No rush, I don't chase quotations. Let the pay stuff fund my aspirations. Steady hand, steady plan, dedication.
Morning shift done, boots by the door. Shower off, sheet rock, change on the floor. Then I'm back to the desk. Quiet in the crib, cheap chair, one screen, same pen, same grid. I tag gold as GC. Silver up a seal, M2K, my M. All names that I spell, like circuit labels. Marker on the panel. One wrong line could fry the whole channel. Take profit trader on the tab when I scroll. Lucid on the list, that's a piece of the goal. Trader 5, Apex, my funded chart, my funded futures. Target tape to my heart, yeah. Sim days stacking like wire on a rail. No FOMO, just flow, wait for the real. Funded account is like passing inspection. You follow every step, then they sign a connection.
Bills paid, now I trade with patience. Clock out, then I study these basements. From the panel to the price rotation. Slow grind, long game, wealth in stages. Bills paid, now I trade with patience. No rush, I don't chase quotations. Let the pay stuff fund my aspirations. Steady hand, steady plan, dedication. I don't gamble that rent, that's sacred. Lights on, fridge full, that's basic, stress free. Cause the trade ain't my savior, it's just extra paid for by my labor.
Same way I test every outlet twice. I test every plan, every risk, every price. Cut my losers like I cut that line. Fast, clean, then I'm back on time. Yeah, rain on the scaffold, hands getting stiff. Still finish that conduit, tighten every twist. That grind toward patience, that grind toward grit. Same mindset now when I sit then click. Stop set tight like a torque on a lug. Can't rip the account for a temporary buzz. Draw it down small, sleep still deep. Cause the light bills handled from the job I keep. Funded evil like a state exam. Did the drills, took notes, stuck to the plan. Take profit trader, gave the target to clear. Lucid trader 5, Apex in the rear. Yeah, I'm thinking decades, not just this week. Compounding like coils in a bundle so neat. From job site checks to a future stack. I wire my freedom every contract I stack.
Bills paid, now I trade with patience. Clock out, then I study these basements. From the panel to the price rotation. Slow grind, long game, wealth in stages. Bills paid, now I trade with patience. No rush, I don't chase quotations. Let the pay stuff fund my aspirations. Steady hand, steady plan, dedication. Work boost by the door, charge glow fame. Electric in my veins, but my mind stays straight. Bills paid, now I trade with patience.
Yeah.
One day at a time, building wealth, brick by brick, line by line.
Coffee ring on the desk. Candles burn to the wick. Cursor stuck on that level like it's better here, better here.
Drawing zones on the chart like crime scene chalk. Support so clean I can frame that stock. Trend line straight as a Catholic walk. Back test say I'm a trading guard when I talk. Limit order sitting there, chef's kiss, precise. Roll do not touch on the price like ice. Alarm set, wrist tight. Math on ice, even my spreadsheet gave me high fives twice. I'm talking patience, discipline, monk type focus. Breathing like a yogi, heart rate slowest. Texted my boy, bro, this trade ferocious. Screenshot the setup, feeling so heroic. The candle creeping down, tick, tick, slow. Spread tight, depth light, here we go. It taps the zone line and swerves like nope.
Next bar takes off like it sniffed that hope.
Missed by a tick, you gotta be kidding me.
I did the homework, market did a hidden fee. Price really said not you, disrespectfully. Perfect analysis, zero feels that sick to me.
Missed by a tick, you gotta be kidding me.
Market saw my order and ran away instantly. I mapped the whole move so meticulously. Perfect analysis, zero feels that sick to me. Come on, I'm yelling at the screen like it got free will. Come back, just one more pip, we could split this bill. But it sprints to my target with Olympic skill. Leaves my limit in the dust, still standing still. Group chat flexing, yo. I milk that wave, I'm sending blank P&L like I ain't get paid. They posting green shots like a summer parade. I'm posting memes, cause my soul decayed. Rewind the tape, did I mark it wrong? Zoomed out, zoomed in, count ticks all night long. Nope, level dead on, textbook strong. Even my journal wrote, bro, that's just wrong. You ever feel that spite from a candlestick? Like it sniffed, you stopped, then did a backflip. Same vibe here, but reverse on the script. It dodged my entry like, ew, that's mid.
Missed by a tick, you gotta be kidding me.
I did the homework, market did a hidden fee. Price really said not you, disrespectfully. Perfect analysis, zero feels that sick to me.
Missed by a tick, you gotta be kidding me.
Market saw my order and ran away instantly. Perfect analysis, zero feels, pure misery. I mapped the whole move so meticulously. Talking, move it up a tick, that's the devil talking. Next time I chase, it'll tag and cough. And if I mark it in, you know what's poppin'. It'll kiss my stop, then move from the bottom. So I sit on my hands, mad but proud. Mother trade the plan, under breath, not loud. Side-eye the chart like you think you slick. Whole room empty, but I'm feeling this. One more level lined up, same routine. Lines on the screen like a crime flick scene. If it happens again, I'm dropping this quick. Perfect analysis, zero feels, put that on a print.
Missed by a tick, you gotta be kidding me.
I did the homework, market did a hidden fee. Price really said not you, disrespectfully. Perfect analysis, zero feels that sick to me.
Missed by a tick, you gotta be kidding me.
Market saw my order and ran away instantly. Laughed through the rage, that's my therapy. Perfect analysis, zero feels, that's the legacy.
Coffee gone cold, screen glow on my face. Cursor on the order box, finger off the trigger. Yeah, 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 yeah. Pre-market quiet, I can hear my own doubt. Spreads like an alley cat, sneaking in, trying to scratch out. Price ladder twitching, little biz trying to bait me. I see them flash and vanish like they know how to play me. I got scars on the chart from the times I chased. Every wick that whipped, every rip I erased. Used to jump at the open like the bell was a gun. Now I'm leaning in my chair, breath slow. Wait for the run. 9:28. I ain't moved yet. Let the market show me, I don't guess. I don't flinch at the first little flex. I just sit in my zone, guard my check. 9:28. I ain't moved yet. If the level ain't clean, that's a test. I got rules, I don't rush, I don't press. Let the market show me. Lines on the daily like cracks in the pavement. Marked out zones where they trapped that statement. Wick high Tuesday, sold them hope at the top. Friday they came back, same block, same drop. I draw that box right under last week's high. Liquor store window, bars on the sky. Stops like wallets, stuffed in the same place. Every time they get picked by the same face, I see the fake break. Thin volume on the push like a weak handshake or a cop in the bush. Alarm on the watch, heart rate and check. Plan on the pad, profit, loss, and respect. 9:28. I ain't moved yet. Let the market show me, I don't guess. I don't flinch at the first little flex. I just sit in my zone, guard my check. 9:28. I ain't moved yet. If the level ain't clean, that's a test. I got rules, I don't rush, I don't press. Let the market show me. Remember that Monday? Gap up, crowd went wild. I hit buy on the open, gave it back like a child. Red bar, free fall, I could taste that regret. Swore I'd never swing first when the bell gets set. Now I'm calm in the chaos, like a cab at the light. Green, yellow, red. I just read it right. 09, 29, tape starting to tick. Order slipping. Thick bids, thin tricks. I see side stacking right where I plan. Same zone circle, same print in the sand. Break, retest, that's church to me. If it don't come back clean, it ain't my entry. Bell gonna ring, crowd gonna shout, but my hands stay still till the lie shakes out. They chase, they pray, they blame, they stress. I just mark what I see, let the rest come fast.
928.
I ain't moved yet. Let the market show me, I don't guess.
I don't flinch at the first.
Little flex, I just sit in my zone, guard my check.
928.
I ain't moved yet. If the level ain't clean, that's a test.
I got rules, I don't break.
I don't press. Let the market show me.
I don't care.
Yeah, clock flips over. The bell cuts the air. Everyone sprinting, I stay in my chair. One clean setup, that's all that I get. One shot, one trade, and I'm done with the sweat.
928.
That's the part they forget. Discipline in the silence, that's the real checkmate bet.
I don't guess.
Yeah. Yeah. Yo, alarm hit 6, dark in the crib. Coffee steam rise, mind on the fibs. Screen still black, only lights my phone. Calendar alerts, but the risk is my own. Charge from last night taped on the wall. Levels in pen, old highs last fall. Don't chase green written over my desk. Discipline, ink in the margin, respect. Train to the city, headphones low. Crowd half sleep, I'm already in go. Thumb scroll news, but I'm scanning the tape. Anything wild that could walk the shape. Desk by the window, dust on the sill. Boot up the rig, check spread, stay still. Hands off mouse, heart rate flat. I've been burned by the rush, I ain't going back. 928, I ain't moved yet. Let the market show me, I don't guess. Price gotta talk, I just watch, I just test. If it never gives me reason, I just rest. 928, I ain't moved yet. Let the fakes fade out, I invest in patience, in process, in my own respect. Let the market show me, I don't guess. 5-day streak on the left of the chart. Gap at the open had me broke at the heart. Used to hit by when the bell first rang. Watched it rip then flip, every loss that sang. Yo, that pain got memory, sits in my back. Every blown stop, every red screen smack. So now I mark zones before dawn hits glass. Premium, more trash, I decide I pass. Free market prints in the narrow lane. Volume on mute, but I feel that strain. Big quick spike, then a sudden fade. Seen that trick since my rookie days. I whisper, wait, breathe through the doubt. Fingers wanna click, but I shut that route. If it don't hold level when the bell hand sweats, it's a cheap little tease, just a fear, you bet. 928, I ain't moved yet. Let the market show me, I don't guess. Price gotta talk, I just watch, I just test. If it never gives me reason, I just rest. 928, I ain't moved yet. Let the fakes fade out, I invest in patience, in process, in my own respect. Let the market show me, I don't guess. I seen fortunes flicker in the 50-minute candle. Traders tap out, say the risk too much to handle. But I learned one truth in the noise and the mess. Control what you do, not the chaos you stress. So when the bell screams and the tape runs hot and the chat rooms share every random shot, I sit like stone, breathe in my chest. If it ain't in the plan, it's a no, not a yes. 928, I ain't moved yet. Let the market show me, I don't guess. Price gotta talk, I just watch, I just test. If it never gives me reason, I just rest. 928, I ain't moved yet. Let the fakes fade out, I invest in patience, in process, in my own respect. Let the market show me, I don't guess. Yeah. Yo. Yeah. Alarm hit 6, dark in the crib. Coffee steam rise, mine on the fibs. Screen still black, only lights my phone. Calendar alerts, but the risk is my own. Chart from last night, taped on the wall. Levels in pen, old highs last fall. Don't chase green, written over my desk. Discipline, ink in the margin, respect. Train to the city, headphones low. Crowd half sleep, I'm already in go. Thumb scroll news, but I'm scanning the tape. Anything wild that could warp the shape. Desk by the window, dust on the sill. Boot up the rig, check spread, stay still. Hands off mouse, heart rate flat. I've been burned by the rush, I ain't going back. 928, I ain't moved yet. Let the market show me, I don't guess. Price gotta talk, I just watch, I just test. If it never gives me reason, I just rest. 928, I ain't moved yet. Let the fakes fade out, I invest in patience and process. In my own respect, let the market show me, I don't guess. Nah. 5-day streak on the left of the chart. Gap at the open, had me broke at the heart. Used to hit by when the bell first rang. Watched it rip, then flip every loss that sang. Yo, that pain got memory. Sits in my back, every blown stop. Every red screen smack. So now I mark zones before dawn hits glass. Premium or trash, I decide I'll pass. Pre-market prints in the narrow lane. Volume on mute, but I feel that strain. Big wick spiked in the sudden fade. Seen that trick since my rookie days. I whisper, wait. Breathe through the doubt. Fingers wanna click, but I shut that route. If it don't hold level when the bell hand sweats, it's a cheap little tease, just a fee. 928, I ain't moved yet. Let the market show me, I don't guess. Price gotta talk, I just watch, I just test. If it never gives me reason, I just rest. 928, I ain't moved yet. Let the fakes fade out, I invest in patience and process. In my own respect, let the market show me, I don't guess. I seen fortunes flicker in the 15-minute candle. Traders tap out, say the risk too much to handle. But I learned one truth: in the noise and the mess, control what you do, not the chaos you stress. So when the bell screams and the tape runs hot, in the chat room's chair, every random shot, I sit like stone, breathe in my chest. If it ain't in the plan, it's a no, not a yes. 928, I ain't moved yet. Let the market show me, I don't guess. Price gotta talk, I just watch, I just test. If it never gives me reason, I just rest. 928, I ain't moved yet. Locked in, locked in. Impatience and process. In my own respect, let the market show me, I don't guess. I ain't moved yet. Yeah. Yeah. Account flashing red again. Same pattern, same pain. Yeah. New day. Same stain. Yeah. Woke up calm, had a plan on a sticky note. Wrist mark, size small, little sliver float. Coffee steam, pre-market on the quiet creek. I swore today my discipline would finally keep. First trade clean, took profit, felt my shoulders drop. Second trade flat, no rush, I let it stop. Then one green candle turned into a chase. Click market by mistake, price ran in my face. Slippage hit, sudden pit in my stomach pit. Watched it rip, then flip, every tick another kick. Stop, slip, I nudged it, give it room to breathe. Screen bright, heart tight, couldn't even leave. It tagged out heavy, bigger than I planned. One mistake, felt it burning in my hands. Sad, stunned, cursor shaking at the top row. Whispered to myself, just need to get it back though. One loss turned to 10 when I lost control. I was chasing every candle just to fill that hole. Broke every little rule that I wrote in stone. Now my screen full of red and I'm on my own. One loss turned to 10 when I lost control. Traded anger, traded ego, not my soul. I was talking about risk, but I bet it all. Now I'm staring at the chart, watching myself fall. Hit the size up, double, told myself it's justified. Same setup, bigger edge, yeah, I just lied. No scan, no plan, just a bleeding shark. Revenge in my hand, heavy in my heart. Enter late, no stop, I just watched it run. Every tick against me felt like a loaded gun. Moved the line, moved it more, then I pulled it out. Can't lose if I don't quit, that was the twisted route. Added more on the drop, made the hole a well. Kept clicking till my calm turned to living hell. Chat room muted, journal buried under dust. Account in the downtrend, broke my own trust. Spread wide and I was locked in a prison cell of my own design. Chasing what I couldn't tell. Green dreams fading while the losses snowball. Tiny scratch turn warm, then a free fall. One loss turned to 10 when I lost control. I was chasing every candle just to fill that hole. Broke every little rule that I wrote in stone. Now my screen full of red and I'm on my own. One loss turned to 10 when I lost control. Traded anger, traded ego, not my soul. I was talking about risk, but I bet it all. Now I'm staring at the chart, watching myself fall. How many times can I write the same note? Honor the stop, protect the flow. How many nights can I blame that wake when it's me, same seat, same trigger click? I don't lose on the trade, I lose on the hold, on the fight with the fear, on the lie I told to myself every time that I move that line. Turn the small red scar to a fractured spine. By the close I was cooked, margin light and thin. Whole day spun wild from one tiny sin. All the rules I rehearsed like a sacred text. Got tossed out fast when I felt that hex. Phone off, lights low, couldn't stand that glow of the P&L box showing how far I go. To avoid one loss printed on the page, I burned down the house in the quiet rage. Bathroom mirror couldn't even meet my eyes. Had to face that the system was my own disguise. It was never about the ticker, never about the spread. It was me not accepting I could just bleed red. So I wrote one line, big black on the wall. Take the first loss small or you lose it all. Next day same desk, but I guard that soul, cause I remember how that one loss swallowed whole. One loss turned to 10 when I lost control. I was chasing every candle just to fill that hole. Broke every little rule that I wrote in stone. Now my screen full of red and I'm account flashing red again. Same pattern, same pain. New day, same stain. Yeah. Woke up calm, had a plan on a sticky note. Wrist mark, size small, little sliver float. Coffee steam, pre-market on a quiet creep. I swore today my discipline would finally keep. First trade clean, took profit, felt my shoulders drop. Second trade flat, no rush, I let it stop. Then one green candle turned into a chase. Click market by mistake, price ran in my face. Slip edge hit, something pit in my stomach pit. Watched it rip, then flip. Every tick another kick, stop, slip. I nudged it, give it room to breathe. Screen bright, heart tight, couldn't even leave. It tagged out heavy, bigger than I planned. One mistake, felt it burning in my hands. Sat stunned, cursor shaking at the top row. Whispered to myself, just need to get it back though. One loss, turned to 10 when I lost control. I was chasing every candle just to fill that hole. Broke every little rule that I wrote in stone.
Order filled.
And I'm on my own. One loss turned to 10 when I lost control. Traded anger, traded ego, not my soul. I was talking about risk, but I bet it all. Now I'm staring at the chart, watching myself fall. Hit the size up double, told myself it's justified. Same setup, bigger edge, yeah. I just lied, no scan, no plan, just a bleeding chart. Revenge in my hand, heavy in my heart. Interlate, no stop, I just watched it run. Every tick against me felt like a loaded gun. Moved the line, moved it more, then I pulled it out. Can't lose if I don't quit, that was the twisted route. Added more on the drop, made the hole a well. Kept clicking clicking till my calm turned to living hell. Chat room muted, journal buried under dust. Accounting the downtrend, broke my own trust. Spread wide and I was locked in the prison cell of my own design. Chasing what I couldn't tell. Green dreams fading while the losses snowball. Tiny scratch, turn wound, then a free fall. One loss, turned to 10 when I lost control. I was chasing every candle just to feel that hole. Broke every little rule that I wrote in stone. Now my screen full of red and I'm on my own. One loss turned to 10 when I lost control. Traded anger, traded ego, not my soul. I was talking about risk, but I bet it all. Now I'm staring at the chart, watching myself fall. How many times can I write the same note? Honor the stop, protect the flow. How many nights can I blame that wick when it's me, same seat, same trigger click? I don't lose on the trade, I lose on the hold, on the fight with the fear on the lie. I told to myself every time that I moved that line, turned a small red scar to a fractured spine. Yeah, by the close I was cooked, margin light and thin. Whole day spun wild from one tiny sin. All the rules I rehearsed like a sacred text got tossed out fast when I felt that hex. Phone off, lights low. Couldn't stand that glow or the P&L box showing how far I go. To avoid one loss printed on the page, I burned down the house in the quiet rage. Bathroom mirror, couldn't even meet my eyes. Had to face that the system was my own disguise. It was never about the ticker, never about the spread. It was me not accepting I could just bleed red. So I wrote one line, big black on the wall. Take the first loss small or you lose it all. Next day, same desk, but I guard that soul. Cause I remember how that one loss swallowed whole. One loss turned to 10 when I lost control. I was chasing every candle just to feel that hole. Broke every little rule that I wrote in stone. Now my screen full of red and I'm yeah. Yeah. Yo. Yeah. Yeah. Bloomberg glow. 4 screens, 1 soul. Night shift, neck stiff. Coffee gone cold. Tick chart switch, candles like lit fuses. Phone buzz once breaking. World leaders moving. Oil big climbing. Before the words finish, desk chat silent. All you hear is ticking. Gulf map pinned over my left shoulder. Red line traced through a narrow blue border. Name it choke point. Lifeline artery. If that lane locks, whole globe can't breathe. Orders on standby. Finger on the mouse. Heartbeat sinks with the clicking in the house.
When the futures run red,
Somebody just spoke.
1 sentence on air.
Whole curve goes broke.
Don't blink, don't chase.
You freeze, you're dead. History turns on a headline you read.
When the futures run red,
It's fear on the tape,
war and afraid.
and the price won't wait. Hold your plan, hold your head while the screen bleeds dread in this game full of panic.
Discipline's the edge.
Yeah, yeah.
Discipline.
They walk to the podium, market leans forward, room gets colder, bid gets bolder, sanctions, spits out, spread widens, every algo listening jumps like sirens, crew chart ripping like it heard gunshots, 5 ticks, 10 ticks, stops get shot, retail still texting, yo, what just happened? By the time they log in, half the move already captured, here, time ain't minutes, it's micro decisions, you either prep levels or you're chasing superstition, I remember last scare, tankers under threat, price spike vertical, then sank like that. I learned then, not every scare holds. You face some fear, you protect that road.
When the futures run red,
Somebody just spoke.
1 sentence on air.
Whole curve goes broke.
Don't blink, don't chase.
You freeze, you're dead. History turns on a headline you read.
When the futures run red,
It's fear on the tape,
war and afraid.
and the price won't wait. Hold your plan, hold your head while the screen bleeds dread in this game full of panic.
Discipline's the edge.
They talk about battles, I watch bases, they argue on panels. I'm marking ranges, every thread, every promise, every vow they said. Printed in the candles, green and red. You can gamble with drama or study the flow. Know where it breaks before they go on the show.
When the future run red,
Somebody just spoke.
one sentence on air.
Whole curve goes broke.
Don't blink, don't chase.
You freeze, you're dead. History turns on a headline you read.
When the future run red,
There's fear on the tape,
war in a phrase.
and the price won't wait. Hold your plan, hold your head while the screen bleeds dread. And the storm made of numbers.
Disciplines the edge. Disciplines the edge.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. 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 Bloomberg Glow. 4 screens, 1 soul. Night shift, neck stiff. Coffee gone cold. Tick tock, twitch candles like lit fuses. Phone buzz once breaking, world leaders moving. Oil big climate before the words finish. Desk chat silent, all you hear is ticking. Gulf map pinned over my left shoulder. Red line trace through a narrow blue border. Name it choke point. Lifeline artery, if that lane locks. Whole globe can't breathe, orders on standby. Finger on the mouse, heartbeat sinks with the clicking in the house.
When the future's run red,
Somebody just spoke, 1 sentence on air, whole curve goes broke.
don't blink, don't chase.
You freeze, you're dead, history turns on a headline you read.
When the future's run red,
It's fear on the tape, war in the phrase and the price won't wait.
hold your plan, hold your head.
While the screen bleeds dread in this game full of panic, disciplines the edge. They walk to the podium, market leans forward, room gets colder, bit gets bolder. Sanctions, spits out, spread widens, every algo listening, jumps like sirens. Crew chart ripping like it heard gunshots, 5 ticks, 10 ticks, stops get chopped. Retail still texting, yo, what just happened? By the time they log in, half the move already captured. Here time ain't minutes, it's micro decisions. You either prep levels or you're chasing superstition. I remember last scare, tankers under threat, price spike vertical, then sank like debt. I learned then, not every scare holds you. Face some fear, you protect that road.
When the future's run red,
Somebody just spoke, 1 sentence on air, whole curve goes broke.
don't blink, don't chase.
You freeze, you're dead, history turns on a headline you read.
When the future's run red,
It's fear on the tape, war in the phrase and the price won't wait.
hold your plan, hold your head.
While the screen bleeds dread in this game full of panic, disciplines the edge. They talk about battles, I watch bases, they argue on panels. I'm marking ranges, every threat, every promise, every vow they said. Printed in the candles, green and red. You can gamble with drama or study the flow. Know where it breaks before they go on the show.
When the future's run red,
So,
1 sentence on air.
whole curve goes broke.
Don't blink, don't chase.
You freeze, you're dead.
History turns on.
A headline. You read.
When the future's run red,
It's fear on the tape, war in the phrase and the price won't wait.
hold your plan, hold your head.
While the screen bleeds dread and the storm made of numbers, disciplines the edge. Yeah.
All right. Let's get into this. It is a beautiful. Oh, just got stopped out. It is a beautiful, beautiful Tuesday, and we're definitely liking the movement of the market so far. I'm looking for shorts. I definitely am looking for shorts. I'm not bullish on this market at all. This move right here, it's looking good, but as long as we can stay below, what did I do there? Okay, let's just move this out of the way. As long as we can stay below the 29,255s, we should be getting some more downside. Market opens in 1 minute. I do have a trade going on this eval right here, which I'm up $77 on. We might get a pop at market open. That's fine, but ultimately the shorts would be invalid if I get stopped out, at which point I'll reevaluate. But let's see, market opens in about 30 seconds. We are holding at support at this level. What level is this? Of the 185s. Let's see if we can maintain it, which is exactly, I was looking to see if we would maintain that support. If we go back to the chart, right here I said watch for pre-market bounce in this area. It dipped down and now it is holding up in that area. So let's see if we can get a rejection here at market open, and if we do, we can start to look for some shorts. But here we go. We're getting it. Here we go. Right here, we're getting it. Going straight down. Okay, let me see if I can get in on. Oh, okay. I just took a beautiful short on my PA. I got it up to 34 right here. Beautiful, $234 on my PA. Nice quick trade. I'm done with this account for the day now. We're just gonna log out and let's just focus on this eval, see if we get some more on there. I should start protecting this position, but I am still looking for more shorts. But I will start to protect the position. I have one there. I'm not sure what's going on here, so I'll take another one here. I'll protect it right here with another one. Still looking for more shorts. Okay. Okay, I'm out. I'm going to another account. I have this take profit account. Now I want to look for shorts here. I'm going to take a sell right here. Beautiful. I'm going to take another one. Let's see how this holds up. I never protected a position because I'm copy trading. I might take this on, let's do 15 contracts, but I might take this. Okay, about to get stopped out unless we get new lows. I'm copy trading all of these accounts right now. Looking for some new lows. I have my entry where I wanted it, which was right here at the support line. Just looking for some new lows. All right, stopped out. We could unmute this. It's still looking weak. I'm gonna go with 5 contracts and see if we can get a retest to the lows.
Order filled.
Okay. Let's see if we can add to that and protect the position at the same time. Okay, we added to it, trying to protect. Buyers look like they're trying to step up. Let's see if we can take this, protect this. We're gonna protect this as fast as possible, looking for a quick downside.
Stop filled.
Okay, stop filled.
Stop filled.
Okay, stop filled on both. I'm down 36. I'm still looking for shorts. I'm gonna take a short. Okay, I'm gonna take a short here.
Order filled.
And just protect this position and see if we can get new lows. It's looking like it wants new lows. Let's go back to my trading view chart. Right now it's kind of holding up here. We need for it to break this. So we need to understand where we're at on this chart. Right now I took one losing trade down $30. I want to trade based off of this chart. Okay. Looks like it wants new lows. If it drops, I'm gonna take a mini on these on this. Okay. Okay, taking. Let's transition. I'm gonna take a mini.
Order filled.
And protect this position.
Stop filled.
Stopped out. I gotta see a break.
Stop filled.
Alright, stop filled on both.
Order filled.
We're gonna try one more right here. And let's see, can we get it here?
Stop filled.
Okay, I'm in 2 contracts looking for some downside here. Okay, looking good. Let's protect the position and trail this. Beautiful. I'm gonna
stop filled.
Let's see, we get some more downside. Let's protect this.
Stop filled.
Okay, so now I passed this account. This account is passed, up 574. So I got 79,600. I needed 79.5. And as far as the other ones, I have $500 on those. So that's good. I don't need to trade this account anymore because now this account is passed. I needed 4,500. I have the 4,500. So we need to take this out. So let's go to take your time and let's get 375 out. So account 375, you are being removed. Saved, group saved successfully. And I just need to test this to make sure that it is out. And now we need 4 contracts and no 75. So let's go to 74 and let's sell market.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in, and let's just buy here to protect our position, and let's look at 75, make sure that's not being traded. Beautiful. So we're in on these accounts now, still looking for more downside. I'll leave my stop here. Let's see if we can get more downside. Okay, looking good. I want to protect this position as fast as possible, but now let's go to the charts. And we can see we're starting to get the breakdown. Let's see if we can get that breakdown or if I get stopped out. Currently it's pushing up. I have my stop at the 83s, which is right about here. So I like the position of my stop. Entry's decent, but the question is, can we get more of that pullback that I was looking for? Okay, we're starting to get some more. I'm out on the MyFunded Futures account. Now I feel comfortable because I'm up 530 on this account now. I'm comfortable sizing up now to 3 contracts, looking for more downside, but let's see if it comes in. If it comes in, it's going to sweep through. I'm about to get
filled.
Okay, stopped out on my take profit 50s. Now I have nothing. Let's make sure this is all clear. Okay, no, nothing's working here. Perfect. So now we'll just leave this alone, and now we're just going to focus on this. I want to take one position to the downside because I like this structure. It's not breaking structure just yet. As I said, it started to break in structure. All right, so I have my stop. It's protected. Still looking for downside. Let's see if we can get it. If I get tapped in here to the downside with my 3 contracts, I'm gonna put a stop right here. I'm gonna put a stop at that top wick of this, of whatever taps me in. Actually, I don't like that. Okay, just broke structure. I'm probably gonna get stopped out here. My stop should be at the top of that wick. There we go. All right, stopped out. All good. Up 466. Still bearish. Just going back to my original chart. Now we're rejecting at this area. So let's see what we can get here. Unless we break to the upside above the 255s, I'm gonna continue to be bearish on this. Actually, I'm going to take another short now and protect that position.
Stop filled.
Okay, just took another. I'm in 2 contracts to the downside. Let's take a look right here. In 2 contracts, looking for some downside. If I get stopped out here, which I do, now we just take a break. Now I gave back about $1.50, I think. So now we're just gonna take a break and allow for the market to play itself out. And these orders that I have here, do I want to keep them? That's the question. Yeah, I think I do want to keep them. Actually, I think I want to give this one more try to the downside. And put my stop here and allow for all of these trades to get tapped in. We're looking for more downside. It is pushing up. Actually, the buyers are pushing this up. I'm gonna kill these. Buyers are pushing this up. If this gets pushed up, do I really want to be adding to all of this? This might be the aggressive buying right now, because it looks like there's a nice bull flag forming. So if the buyers are buying this up, we can't keep forcing it. All right? Look at that. We're gonna kill this. We're gonna kill this, and we're going to just wait to see what happens. Okay, look like we're getting some pullback now. We're gonna keep this in micros. If anything, we can go with 2 contracts and then start to size up. I haven't traded this one yet. This one I haven't taken any trades on for the day. Still kind of focused on this one. I wanted to see if possibly I can actually take this to the 53 today without being greedy. Okay, we're getting a push. We're getting a push, but this is what I have to be careful for, is that we're getting a push, but we need to see what's going to happen at this area. Are we just going to break right through, or are we going to reject? As of right now, it's trying to break through. I'm gonna take a short right here. Okay, I'm in short. Let's see if we can get that pullback.
Stop filled.
Okay, stopped out. I'm gonna take another. Let's try that one, and we'll add to it if it breaks down. And this would be okay, pushing up. Okay, it's pushing up. There is nothing bearish about this right now. There's absolutely nothing bearish about this. These are some nice pushes.
Stop filled.
Okay, let's see what we can get here. pushing. I need a pullback. Are we gonna get the pullback here? It doesn't look like it.
Order filled.
All right, I lost that. I lost that account. Oh, yeah, I was too aggressive on it, and I ended up losing it. I was looking for a quick pullback, but we never got it. So, but that's fine. Not looking for any pullback now, because clearly, look where we're at. If anything, now we can look to see if we can hold this for support at the 257s.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm in long. I'll move my stop to the bottom of this wick. Let's see if we get some more. I'll just trail this.
Stop filled.
Okay, I'm out. Got 350 on that. Still looking for some pullback. Maybe we get some pullback a little to the 258s. That's what I would like. If we get pulled back to about right here, that'll be nice. I'll look to take a long here. Oh, I know I put the order in. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna take a micro to the long side, in case we don't get filled there.
Order filled.
Put a stop here at the 30s, and looking for this order to get filled.
Order filled.
Oh, it filled me.
Stop filled.
Okay, I'm in 2 contracts at a long, looking for new highs on that pullback, which was beautiful. I'm ready to take a third. I'm gonna take one more.
Order filled.
I took one more. I'm gonna scalp that one.
Filled.
I'm gonna scalp the second one and leave the third one as a runner.
Order filled.
And leave this one as a runner. See if we get some new highs. Try to take.
Stop filled.
Nope, I didn't get it. This is still a little long, right? Okay. Still got my trade long. I'm gonna take. Let's see here. I'm gonna take another long. Hold on. That pullback seems a little.
Stop filled.
Okay, stopped out. Up 284. And now we're getting some rejection. Okay. Now we're getting some rejection. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay, more rejection. Okay, this is where we hold off and we see if it's going to make a decision. I want to see if this is going to reject here. Okay, rejecting.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay, look like it's trying to hold. Okay, holding at support here.
Stop filled.
Okay, rejecting.
Stop filled.
I was looking for a rejection here. I just got stopped out. Still looking for a rejection.
Stop filled.
I stopped out. All right, this area is holding up as support. I was looking to see if it rejected, but it didn't. It's holding up. All right, getting some rejection here. Looking good to the downside. Looking good to the downside. Looking good to the downside. It looked like it wants to reject, but it's fighting. It's a bit of a struggle, but it's looking like it wants to reject. Okay, there it goes. Can we get some more downside? Okay, beautiful. All right, there's more downside. Let's see if this area can stay as rejection. Okay, trying to get a bounce. Okay, it's not becoming rejection territory. Okay, trying to reject. Okay, it's rejecting. Okay, looking good. Okay. I'm liking this now to the downside. I'm gonna add. Okay, looking good to the downside. I like that bounce. I'm adding on this bounce. All right, stopped out. All right, I caught some good trades. I got the take profit account passed. I have the 50Ks up 500, so that's up like 3K for the morning on those. I'm up 300 on my PA, but then I lost the two my fund of future evals. Well, I didn't lose the two. I lost one, and then the other one I got stopped out. I overtraded it. I should have stopped. I should have stopped. I hit the daily loss limit, unfortunately. Oh, here we go. I hit the daily loss limit on this one, and I lost this one. But I passed this, take profit. I got the 574 on that. And I got 553 on all of these. So now I'm gonna lock out for the rest of the day. Come back tomorrow and trade those. I just over traded the two my funders. I don't want to take anything out or anything. So we're gonna lock out here. Locked out for the day on those accounts, which is good. Tomorrow I'll have this as a pro. My Apex account, my PA is up 230 or 280. So I'm happy with that. But we'll just take a look at the charts here and see what else is going on. I'm not happy that I over traded that my Funder Futures account, and then I oversized it as well. So we're gonna take this time to take a breather. Didn't trade my personal. I'm not gonna trade that, especially after what I just did to my Funder Future accounts. But that was a beautiful entry on this pullback right here. I'm actually a little mad that I just missed that pullback. That's the pullback that stopped me out of all those accounts, and this is the pullback now that's looking like a beautiful short. Let's see if we can get this drop here. Okay, looking good. That's a beautiful drop so far. That was a beautiful drop right there. You see, so we broke into this range, into the zone, but then it rejected. So now we're gonna hit new lows of the day. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for new lows. A beautiful drop. Okay, look like it's going for new lows. look like it wants to go for new lows. Let's see if it's gonna give it. So far so good. Okay, looking for new lows. And there it goes. Looking good. Can we get some continuation now? Some continuation would be really nice. No continuation though. Okay, there goes the new lows, and we should get continuation now. And there it goes. All right, 10 o'clock, I'm done trading. I actually traded my personal account down on these lows, just made a couple of dollars. I enjoy that. And that's it. We're done trading. Mad that I lost one of those my fundeds, and then I took it out on the other one. I at least have the daily loss limit, so possibly tomorrow I can get that up and not be greedy. All right, we're gonna call it. I'm looking to see if we can get at least to the 28,980s. It looked like this wants to continue lower, so let's not fight it. Let's just allow it to happen. But it's looking good.